Hi guys, I just want to make a quick reaction video. Um, you can see that internet or Twitter is very busy these days. A lot of people are now coming out from their hideouts. Those of them who couldn't make it on Facebook and YouTube have run to Twitter to create multiple accounts just because they want to, do gara gara before the December 2nd. Which is Biafra declaration. But Biafra convention in Finland is going to start on November, I think 29, right? Okay, I'm not here to talk about the convention or the Biafra declaration. I just want us to pay attention to understand the propaganda and the lies flying everywhere on Twitter, because one thing about Twitter is that once you pay money, it will give you engagement and view. You understand? But YouTube and Facebook is not like that. Yes, you can promote your video there, but the only thing is that some of the video that you post on YouTube, especially YouTube, is not something that you will. I mean, you will say, okay, let me just do it and do propaganda, and people will view and all that. People that are doing all manner of propaganda on Twitter today, they are doing it with their money. And Uchechi and her camp are not sleeping. But guess what? Biafran have seen this in the past. This is not the first time. It's not going to be the last one. My happiness is that Biafran Prime Minister, made this known to everybody, unless if you are not paying attention, that this attack will come. And guess what? They will still intensify it. But Biafrans are not sleeping. They are not. Their plan is not to recruit or to achieve anything. They just want to do gara like they already know that it is over. But it will be shameful for them to just sleep like that. So this noise that you are seeing now is not going to make any difference. The Biafrans know what is going on and who is fighting for them, and they don't care to listen to Biafrans or to what people want. But they are pained because of the shame that are waiting. Masnamkan, that everybody claimed that they are following him and all that. They will cut a video where Masnamkan was talking about people that are not even IPB members, like Tony Nadi of this world, and some people claiming that because once they depart from Masnamkan after 2015, after his arrest in 2015, when he came back from dungeon, and when they released him, that's what I'm talking about. Some people like Imam Mezu of this world, but Imam Mezu and many of them, Omio, all of them, they try to start their own, but they did not lay foundation properly. They don't even have what it takes. So all the reply that Masman kind of give to them is what these people are cutting out. They cut that part, and I mean, once they cut the part, they're trying to use it as if the video is made for PM and reference today, but it's not. So this propaganda, many of us are aware of what they intend to achieve. Many of us that follow Masman can know all these things. We knew it, that this video, where it come from, and we have listened to that in the past. So you can't deceive anybody with that. I am not the type that always go to comment section to rant. I mean their comment section, because I knew that the best reply I can do is to come here and reply to some of them if I have the time, actually. Like Biafran Information Minister, Honorable Sonia Barawa, made it clear that everybody, not even Biafran media platforms, everybody that are interested in freedom and welfare of our people should not just give them engagement by commenting and talk. Once you are doing that, they don't read comments. They knew what they're doing. That's why they don't bother what you say on the comment section. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. Listen to this short clip from Mazna Monica.
And see the way it should be. Listen to him. I have told you people, if you are not prepared for a violent revolution, stop disturbing us. Stop disturbing people, for goodness sake. You have seen over the years, IPOB will come out, they will do them. The same Nigerian journalists in Nigeria, they will write, it's our fault. Oh, why did you come out? And I keep saying to them, does it mean we cannot defend our rights? Is that what you're telling us? Oh, no, there's another way to do it. Which other way? Now you are in Lagos. Lagos, you're protesting in Lagos. After killing people during the last NSAS protest, after freezing accounts, and you think that by coming out to protest, you change anything? No. It's just like speaking grammar in Africa. If you're in Africa, you can speak grammar from now till the kingdom come. There'll be no light, there'll be no running water. Then you can speak all the grammar you like, or nothing will change. Because it is an attitudinal problem. Not a it is something that you have to do consciously to bring about change. And that is to fight fire with fire. Therefore, I am placing the United Nations on notice, the EU, British government, the US government, that wherever the Nigerian army goes in again to murder innocent people, we are going to retaliate. We will retaliate. Those people will be the last time any sitting governor anywhere will give the order for innocent people to be killed. Should that happen again, that governor will die. I am saying it, so you cut out this very clip and send it to the ICC so they can have it there with them. And all these criminals, all these murderers, we shall meet them there. Should the thing arise, you cannot talk about innocent people and you expect them to do nothing. It's impossible.
Now, I don't want to bore you with this. If you are following Master Kano all this while, this video shouldn't be a surprise to you. It's something that you by now you have the knowledge of it. Now, it's not as if these people they don't know what Master Kano is saying here. It's not as if they don't understand what he said. But the problem is that they do understand that they have this thing with them, but they don't concur. They don't agree to this kind of words the Master Kano said here. And when you share this video, they'll say, oh, you are trying to implicate Ekperiman. His group are trying to implicate Master Kano. They want to jail him. They want to prison him. Somebody that sold him out is accusing you of implicating him. Can you just imagine that? Somebody that sold him out is the one accusing you of implicating him by bringing his words to let people understand what Master Kano believed on. And remember, Master Kano made this video to a particular people. He mentioned the group that I don't want to start mentioning the name. You just listen to him, what he said just now, right? ICC and all that, even Nigerian government, they are aware, they have this clip. But because the clip is not something that you will say is a crime. You understand? There's no way what he said here will implicate him or indict him as a to go jail or anything. You can't criminalize him or punish him for this kind of clip, because what he said here is not a crime. But they will try to use it to brainwash some people who don't know their left and right. That they are sharing it because they want to jail him. But they will be the one to share, concoct another video to counter what Master Kano actually stands for. Master Kano is not a violent man. He is not calling for killing of anybody. Neither do I support any killing or anything. But truth be told, are we going to defend ourselves, or we are going to sleep and allow other people to slaughter you? The choice is yours. So this video that you just watched now, I mean, you don't need any prophet or prophetess to tell you what Master Kano stand on. And these people are now out with their different accounts. To the extent they are now creating stories. They are not creating. Yesterday, I saw another. I know a few days ago, they shared a video of Simon Ekpa, Biafra Prime Minister, and they detailed everything. Create fake tweet that he actually asked a loan from IMF with the help of Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. That one trend, and yesterday they created another one with Showore. That Showore, that Simon Ekpa said that Showore is planning to kill Tinubu. I said this on many of my videos already, and I'm still going to say it again. If you don't have brain, please can you stop disgracing yourself. Even a child in a primary school, in primary school, understand that you are lying. Anybody that actually respond to some of this video from these people is either the person is not aware of them, have not been following them, or the person is another Okpunu, another Okoko, another Iberiberism that want to showcase his own, his or her own lifestyle. Okonjo-Iweala replied to them because she has not been following any of their activities. She don't know who they are. That's my belief. I don't think, and there's nothing you will write from using PM against Okonjo-Iweala. She's not going to reply because now she's aware of there's a group that is as stupid as an idiot. Call themselves whatever the name they want to call themselves. I'm not here to abuse anybody. I'm not an abusive person, but sometimes when you listen to their actions and what they do, you will attempt to, use some words on them. It is very, very bad and unbearable. The attack, and the church is piloting their affairs. There's a video of Master Prophet that I listened to yesterday, and you will hear. I don't. If I play the video here, some of you will find that because the energy on the video is not all that impressive, because he was talking slowly. But I'm the kind of person that want to listen to everybody so that I will understand what you are trying to say. In summary of that video, Master Prophet is trying to call Uchechi out. He did not mention any name, but he was talking to her, and he said that he bought a trap to catch a rat in the house. That this rat in the house had been, destroying every bag, every item in the house, bringing some rats outside to come and destroy what is inside. And this rat has been disguised, have been disguised all this while, trying to everything that this rat does is hidden. And this rat had destroyed many things. That the best thing that he knew the rat, but he don't want to call out. When he want to call the rat out, they tell him no, that you should don't do that because you will expose the rat. And he decided not to. Then he asked those people that saying, don't catch the rat, because if you catch the rat, they are going to expose the rat. He told them, but why do you allow me to go and buy a trap to catch this rat? So pay me the money for the trap back. That without catching this rat, people may not understand the gravity and the nonsense that this rat have been doing in secret. And he started, laying kind of some cause of declaration against anybody from Morocco that is against, that is talking with Chike Dozem and IPOB and DOAS and all that. That video is very interesting, just like his own other videos, of course. Why am I saying this? Many of them that are hiding and talking against PM, against Biafran, is doing that because of the time at hand. We are almost in November. And guess what? November is an if to Biafran declaration in December. So all these are they want to use this dying minute to do, because they have asked themselves, are we going to wait like this and all these things just bypass us? Let us do like if you cut snake head, the other part, the tails, will begin to dance around, struggling as if he's gonna survive again. No, that's a dying of a struggle of a dying horse. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. I don't want this video to be too long. Maybe I will come live. Yeah, I think I will come live. I don't know if I will come live before posting of the video or after the video, but be it as it may, subscribe and like the video. Whenever we are live or post a video, you'll be the first to get the notification. Don't forget to put a comment and tell me what you think. Don't take the attack and all this manner of posts that you are flying on the internet. Don't take it serious. We have been there before. Biafra has seen this. Biafra government have seen this in the past. They're gonna bypass this one as well. Thank you and God bless you. See you again.